Hey there, everybody. It's Rick Claus coming to you again from the Microsoft campus, giving you some behind-the-scenes look into the making of Microsoft Ignite. And I happened to run into a good friend of mine, Joerose Tharakan.
Hi,
Nice
Rick.
to see you again.
Hi, everyone.
I thought I'd just give you a little bit of a question and answer, if you're okay with that.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Okay, perfect. So Microsoft Ignite is coming to San Francisco in November, the week of November the 17th. And I'm curious, what are you excited about for Microsoft Ignite?
Ooh, all right. This Ignite is going to be bigger than ever. I think last year we had 10,000 people. We're expecting 17,000 people this year. So, I think I said this last year, I'm excited about the networking opportunities. I'm even more excited for the amount of connections we can make in person and digitally through this space. And then Ignite is just the kickoff of this slew of Microsoft flagship events. We've got the AI tours, and then leading into Build next season. And so I can't wait for all the announcements that this will herald and all of the excitement that we're going to bring from this agentic era as we work with our customers and partners to transform into this next generation of the frontier firm.
It's awesome. Now, I'm curious because I don't know if you're going to be hosting, if you're going to be speaking, doing other things, but what kind of experiences are you excited about for, the partner world inside of Microsoft?
For our partners, historically, we've always been excited about the hub. The hub is also going to be bigger and better than ever. So it keeps coming back to the amazing networking opportunities there. But then also the meeting program. This year, we're going to have a wider array of experiences built into that meeting program, as well as the ability to do much more partner-to-partner networking, which will allow us to amplify the co-sell momentum and build pipeline while we are on the ground at San Francisco.
Okay, very cool. Now, would you have any advice for first-time attendees or first-time people coming to Microsoft Ignite?
I'm thinking back to my first big conference. What can I tell you? Well, pace yourself. Yeah. I think when I think back to my first time, I was just so excited. There was content, learning, keynotes, breakouts. So, I would say my biggest advice is use that agenda. Build your agenda. Think about how much time you want to spend in keynotes versus breakouts, the learning opportunities you want to take advantage of. Don't forget about the giveaways. Don't forget about playing some games and rest. And for the digital audience, use that backpack so you can put things away. Remember to come back to it. The more intentional, the more planful you are, the more you get out of these events.
Nice. Awesome stuff. Now, you and I both have to travel for business, and so we're going to be traveling to Microsoft Ignite in San Francisco. Do you have any advice for travelers that are going to be going? Maybe items you should be bringing?
Well, items you should bring. Definitely stay hydrated. I know I need my Starbucks as I go from Chase stage to the breakouts to all the different venues. For me, staying hydrated means staying caffeinated. So for those of you that need their coffee, that's my go-to. And then in terms of, don't forget to also take advantage of the greater San Francisco area. So if you need a break, one of my favorite places that I recommend is the Dolores Park in the Mission. Recommend you take a visit there. And then one last tip for those of you traveling, maybe not as familiar with San Francisco and looking to explore. It's a lovely, lovely little place called, I think, Vesuvius Bar, but it is one of the founding locations of the Beats generation. So if you are a fan of Kerouac, like I am, there's Kerouac Alley, and you get to walk the steps that some of the greats did. You can see their writings, and you can see where they spend their time. It's a hit in San Francisco.
Awesome. Hey, thank you so much for taking the time to answer a couple of questions. I really appreciate it.
It's great to walk with you. I look forward to seeing you at Ignite.
You got it. And we look forward to seeing you in San Francisco for Microsoft Ignite the week of November the 17th.